Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you guys already know what this video is going to be about from the title. I have gone back and forth about filming this video because I feel like there are a lot of videos out there. I feel like you guys are probably sick and tired of seeing these, but I figured that I just wanted to give my thoughts and opinions, especially to those of you who are my loyal subscribers and who are waiting to hear what I have to say and who trust my review and my opinion. I want to make that video for you. So this video is going to be about the Jaclyn Cosmetics lipsticks. I just want to start off this video by saying if you guys are looking for hate or drama or me to like tear apart Jaclyn, this is not the video for you. I just feel like I owe this video to you guys because I put it everywhere that I ordered the Jaclyn lipsticks, and I just want to give you guys my thoughts and opinions. So again, I'm not making this video to spread negativity or bash Jaclyn or Jaclyn Cosmetics. Again, just my own thoughts and opinions and stuff like that. So I really hope that you guys enjoy, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm so sorry if this video seems all over the place, you guys. I had a whole outline on what I wanted this review to be, but of course, since everything has come to light, I am no longer going to be doing a review, just kind of giving you guys my thoughts and my personal experience, how my personal lipsticks look and stuff like that. I just want to start this video off by saying that I always was a Jaclyn fan. I personally never ordered any of her Morphe collaborations. I was interested in the first Morphe palette, not the very first one that she launched, like the white palette with the 35 shades. I was interested in that. I wasn't really interested in her brushes or her vault, but I was always interested in Jaclyn Cosmetics. But I always really liked her. I never found anything wrong with her. I never hated her. I always enjoyed her videos and her content. But out of everything that she would release, Jaclyn Cosmetics was what I was most excited for. I guess we could start off quickly with just my shipping experience. I did feel like I waited a really long time for the lipsticks. I ordered them around 12:08, so 8 minutes after launch time on May 30th, Thursday, May 30th. I was ready. I ordered the lipsticks that same day, and I did not get them until around 1 p.m. on June 10th. So it did take my lipsticks 11 days to get here from the point of shipping. I don't think my lipstick shipped for 3 days though after I had ordered them. So maybe about a week total, which isn't horrible. It just felt a lot longer to me because I was really anticipating these lipsticks. And then of course, once the problems and stuff started to arise, I of course wanted them to come even faster to see the condition that my lipsticks were in. So I personally ordered 4 of the lipstick shades from Jaclyn Cosmetics. I did spend close to $80 on these lipsticks from my own money, of course, and the 4 shades that I got were Obsessed, Tipsy, Sophia, and Perfectionist. I just cannot get myself to put these lipsticks on my lips after I've seen everything surfacing. I know some people say their lipsticks are fine. I know some people say that their lipsticks are okay. Some are horrible, but personally for me, it's like, I don't even want to know. I personally emailed customer service a few days ago asking them for a refund, and I'm still waiting for a response. Even though Jaclyn has since come out with her video with the receipts and everything saying that these are not contaminated, these went into production in May, and that it was gloves and the towel running through the big whatever the lipstick is mixed in and all the raw materials weren't mixed in thoroughly. I just still don't feel comfortable putting these on my lips. In my head, I'm like, if a lab can make a mistake like that, like just common things, like you would never put fibers near cosmetics, whatever. If a lab could make a mistake like that, my thought is, what else are they doing wrong? I personally don't know whether to believe Jaclyn or not. I'm kind of leaning towards the side that I really believe that this is a sanitary issue with the lab, but I'm still not going to use these lipsticks or recommend that you guys use these lipsticks until maybe in the future when Jaclyn switches to a new lab. Like I said, my thought process is just like, if they literally didn't have the knowledge to not use fuzzy gloves on something where fuzz was going to get stuck to, or if just all these problems are happening during production, I just don't know what else is going on behind the scenes in that lab or what else they're doing. I feel like if I was a brand owner, you would want to make sure everything is perfect. You would know better in certain ways, but at the same time, it's like, did Jaclyn know what the lab was even doing? But I definitely 100%, one thing I could say that Jaclyn should have done was recall the lipsticks once she saw that these things were happening. I feel like she should have refunded everyone immediately, because even though it may not be mold, it may not be expired, there's still issues with the lipsticks. Even if it is sterile fibers from gloves, no one wants that in their lipstick. No one wants a lipstick that's filled with air bubbles. So regardless of what it is, whether you guys believe it's expired or not. Maybe it is expired or not. Like I said, no one knows but Jaclyn and her team. I still feel like that she should have answered more quickly or just 100% recalled the lipsticks. I personally also don't know why she is offering to send out replacements, but then she also said that they are switching labs. I personally would have held off on sending out replacements until the lab was switched and new lipsticks were made. Definitely let me know what you guys think, but I 100% believe Jaclyn is in the wrong for not pulling these lipsticks sooner and kind of coming out with a statement sooner and letting people use these lipsticks. One thing that I want to touch on is as far as people getting reactions or finding stuff in their lipstick, that is very concerning to me. I saw one picture where a girl's lipsticks were swollen. I saw one picture where a girl had a rash where she swatched the lipsticks on her arm. I mean, that's not okay. So even if these are just a select few of these lipsticks that are contaminated or potentially expired, she should just pull them all. So even if it was only a select few of these lipsticks, it's a lipstick. You can't see what's inside. I strongly believe that she should have just pulled all of them immediately if she saw that there was any concern to her subscribers and her customers' health. At this point, I'm still waiting for my refund. It has been about 3 days since I contacted customer service. I'm waiting for a reply. I'm waiting for my refund. If they do offer to send me replacement lipsticks, I don't think that I'm going to accept them. I don't want anything really from Jaclyn Cosmetics until hopefully they get a new lab and get all of this straightened out. But now that I kind of gave you guys my thoughts and opinions, I want to talk about my personal experience with the lipsticks. So I did buy 4 of these shades and 3 out of 4 of these shades did have physical noticeable issues. One of the shades didn't look horrible. It had like tiny marks in it, but nothing too concerning. So let's get into these shades now. The first shade when I unboxed my lipsticks that I opened up is the shade Tipsy, and right off the bat you guys can definitely see the hairs in here, a few sticking out the top, and then if you look at the left side of the tip of the lipstick, there are some bubbles as well, air bubbles, black dots, whatever you want to call them. Mine do look like bubbles though, more than anything. And then if you go ahead and look more towards the base of the lipstick, where the lipstick meets the component, it's a little bit messy down there. So that was my experience with the shade Tipsy. The next lipstick that I opened up was the shade Obsessed. If you guys have that fear of little holes, just like Raw Beauty Christy said, you might not want to look because this photo is filled with little air bubbles and little holes on the lipstick. So I'm popping the photo up right now. This was the condition that my Obsessed lipstick came in. This particular lipstick didn't have any fibers or other marks, just filled with all of these little air bubbles at the top. The third lipstick that I unboxed was the shade Sophia, and this one definitely had very noticeable fibers or hairs. I still don't know exactly what to call it. I don't want to put any misinformation out there. And then also air bubbles on the front as well as the back of the lipstick. And then the last shade that I opened up was the shade Sophia, and I would say this one really didn't have anything physically noticeable or alarming to me. If you guys kind of zoom in and look at the top left corner of the tip of the bullet, there's like a tiny little cluster of the smallest little holes. But again, I don't even think I would have seen it if this was any other brand and I wasn't analyzing these lipsticks super closely. If this was any other brand, like I said, and maybe one of my lipsticks came like this, I probably would have just wiped it off, blown off whatever was on it, and still probably used it. But in this case, just from seeing everything and all these speculations, it's just hard to know what to believe. And at the end of the day, I value my safety and my hygiene and what I'm putting on my face, and I want the same thing for you guys. So at this point in time, I don't recommend the Jaclyn Cosmetic lipsticks. I personally have not used them on my lips, and I wouldn't, like I said, want to recommend them to you guys either until we know that this is 100% safe and just 100% better. All right, you guys, so that is going to complete this video. Those are my thoughts on the Jaclyn Cosmetic lipsticks and everything that has been happening already. Again, I'm so sorry if this video is a little bit all over the place. I just really don't ever make videos like this. I'm so not about the drama and stuff like that. So again, I apologize if it seemed a little bit unorganized. I just tried to keep it real and raw, but like I said, I don't want to produce any extra hate or anything around the situation. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, click that notification notification bell down below and you'll get notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.